Back to my channel. In this video I am going to make logo for clipping mask. How to apply clipping mask in how to apply a clipping mask in photo. Let's start. First I write women in the font Montserrat black. Okay, and align this. I guess this is better, and I will take it on the top of that. Okay. Then Control C and Control V नीचे रख लेते हैं. It's down and create outlines. Don't forget to create outlines. If you can't create outlines and if you forget to create outlines, your logo must not be making. Okay, so this and I prefer this is arrange, bring front and photo bigger, and this is looks good. It's like this. And woman, it's in drag it in this photo. And if you increase the size, if you can if you can if you do if you want to increase size, then shift plus alt and right click this like so. Okay, and object and compound path, and we'll get my previous video. If you can't previous my if you can't watch my previous video, then I will share your link in this video so you can check it out. Okay, so basically it's very easy to simple logo you can make. Very it's not much taking time. It's easy, it's very simple, very good, and it's elegant and attract the audience and attract the clients. Okay, so if you make it, you your logo must be very elegant and beautiful. And right click, shift plus right click, and again clamping not sorry clamping mask and make this looks. And if you want the eyes be and this like and this, and you can pick it with this, and right click, shift plus alt, object, clamping mask, and make. This looks simple. Okay, and if you increase size, you can sorry, it's dragging, shift plus alt, that's very, and it's very simple and easy to make. If you make it, it's very is elegant. Okay, and shift plus right click, clamping mask and make, so, and control G. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, comment me in this section and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. And uh, if you want this kind of logos I make, so I I'll make it. Okay, I'll make it for you guys. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching.